And welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. So, as of last time, we were heading back to Ratchet's garage to fix Clank.
Large gaps for child's play to Ratchet. All he would need to get across is a trusty swing shot and a little bravado.
I do like that we have the slingshot immediately.
Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Also, it's weird that you didn't get the combustor first. That might just be me, though.
Ratchet basked in the freedom of being able to switch weapons whenever he felt like it.
Oh, and I'm guessing I have to shoot the thing. Got it.
Perhaps you could shoot something to open the door.
Thanks, Clank.
Impressive shooting.
Oop.
Nice work.
Thank you, Clank.
Man, I didn't find it. Not far. You're going down, Lombax.
Oh, Quark.
Oop.
What are they doing here? I have information in my databanks that poses a threat to Chairman Drek. He must have tracked my position to your planet so he could get it back.
Grim, listen.
Don't know why that's a big deal,
Lock
but
the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Copy that, Ratchet. Ratchet is in a bad way.
there we go.
He's been alone. He scoured the Kizzle Plateau for signs of
Come on.
Tech.
I think that's all of them.
Get out of the way. Nice hover.
Whoa, is that a Blarg dropship?
Correct. Model X6D to be exact. Also known as the Dropship of Death.
Great.
Oh, already? In the original, you didn't get this boss fight until you got to Metropolis. I love that they somehow managed to make the flip way sillier looking than before. Come on. You don't want to live anyway, Blarg.
Ratchet.
New card. What's the card for?
Big Al here. You've just collected your first holo card.
And Big Al's back. Cool.
You can earn single holo cards by defeating enemies. Or you can explore secret areas to find packs of 3. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holo cards.
So... Interesting. Okay, they give you stat bonuses and stuff. That's cool. Did that... Okay, there's 33 sets. I thought that was planets. I was like, oh, okay. That's a lot more than the original. Then again, this game's kind of like a mashup of 1, 2, and 3, I guess. Maybe just 1 and 3.
For some defect.
Ah, it's not that bad. We got clean air, the warm heat of the sun. This is nature. We never had any of this back on.
What? What happened?
Just got bit by a mosquito. You see the size of that thing?
Good job, guys.
You're gonna die on that!
Whoa.
The Blarg are all over Grim's garage.
I almost blew myself up. Come on. There you go.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
Nothing over there.
Hey,
Ah.
I've got you on holovid. There are more enemies moving in.
incoming dropship detected.
These guys should take a bit more damage. Oop.
This place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were gonna clean it up last week?
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
Beginner's Guide to Quantum Burst Engines.
Just throw that anywhere. I have it bookmarked.
What's this?
Come on. There you go.
Singularities and other cataclysmic events.
All right, Grim. Coast is clear. Can you open up?
Ratchet, one in Zony's name just exploded.
Sorry about that, Grim.
I like that
Listen,
Ratchet
get my tools
completely
ready.
changed the
I just found
subject
something in
from
the desert I need to look at.
Interesting.
whatever
What kind of factory is
manipulation
this?
Grim brought
This?
up.
No, this is just a garage. Lived here since I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
Just take all of
Once
Grim's
they
money.
were safe, Clank explained Drek's plan to attack the Hall of Heroes. With the Galactic Rangers out of the equation, Ratchet knew he had to help, even though neither he nor Clank had the upper body strength necessary for hero work.
I can totally help.
Oh, I could not ask a civilian to get involved in something so dangerous.
No, I'm not just a civilian. The Rangers are actually my, friends. Why do you think I have so many pictures of them?
But why are you not in any of them?
Well, someone had to take the picture, right? I mean, come on. I even have a ship. It disassembles so it can infiltrate enemy strongholds. So what do you say? That's strange. I'm picking up something from Navalis.
It appears to be some sort of distress signal, but it is being jammed using a Blargian signal dampener.
Don't worry. The computer would have told us if we were in any real danger.
Fatal crash imminent. Would you like to record your last will and testament?
Admittedly, that's not super promising.
And if I remember correctly, the ship crashing in the original was because of a malfunction. So, just fun fact, I guess.
Well, it's damaged, but I fixed worse. Come on, maybe there's someone in town who can help us.
So, is this literally just...
Is that raritanium? Maybe we should upgrade our weapons first.
I'm really hoping these cutscenes don't get a copyright strike. Because I believe they're taken from the movie. So, hopefully Sony's okay with that.
Hey,
I mean, as long as they keep some of the audio out, it should be fine. Right? God, this game looks really good. This is what a remaster should be.
Ratchet jumped and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
Like, I know people hate the Devil May Cry remake, reboot thing. I enjoyed it, so... Because it was pretty much a retelling of, kind of, the rest of the series, to my knowledge. So... that might get a lot of people who played Devil May Cry mad at me, but... Ew. This seemed kind of violent for a E10 game. Oops, I saw that one going. Come on. Ooh, nice little blaster burn decal there. Yeah, I don't know if I like that disintegration. Just for the fact that this is supposed to be a kid's game. Kind of violent looking. But whatever, I don't make the call on what to rate games, so... I mean, Halo 5's T. But there's blood everywhere. So... I think that's an enemy. Oops. Yep, definitely an enemy. What was I talking about? I'm just so distracted by how good this game looks compared to the original. It's great. I'm really hoping they do 1 for 2 and 3 now. Oh, that just starts them over. So, I do know 1 very well, so this shouldn't be too bad of a playthrough. Looking back at the difficulty selection, I probably could have chose hard. But whatever. I don't know how actually difficult it is. The plumber! The plumber's the best.
Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before? Because I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drek's forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Well, sure thing. I swiped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
The Blag.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Well, it does look like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot. Awesome! Want to do it again? Let's use that vendor and put this to good use.
Here's where you pick your weapon. Let me walk you through the process with one of mine. You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff, but we'll use some of mine for now. All you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain. Alright, just confirm the transaction and the deal's done. Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's gonna give you a big boost. That's all there is to it. Give it a spin on one of your own. Oh, I just might make my quota this week.